So hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yannick. I'm back at it again. Today is a school day for my daughter and a day off for me. So I'm going to take you guys along. You're going to spend the day with me today as a quick morning routine as I prepare my daughter for school. And then I'm gonna come back home. I have some home chores to do, and yeah, I hope you guys hang with me, and I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much for my subscribers, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And like I said, have a little bit more drive now, so I'm trying to be consistent with my channel. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's get into it. So while my daughter is eating before school, I'm going to quickly put my bedroom together. You guys that have been following me for a while know how important this is for me. If my bed is made, then my home feel put together. It doesn't matter if everywhere else is untidy, but my bed is made, then I'm content and I feel like everything is okay for the rest of the day. So I'm making my bed, putting away some stuff, and it's gonna be a quick one. So yeah. So a school morning look like this. I just left my daughter at school and going to go home. I just locked her bike there, and me, I'm going to just bike home myself and continue. Today's gonna be a long day because today is a study day. I'm doing some extra courses, so I have to study for it. So I'm gonna go home and do that shit weather. It's raining like hell. I was actually planning on staying home and studying, but I've decided to go to the library today. So I'm not sure I'm going to be able to film there, but yeah, this is me finishing up my dishes, after leaving my daughter at school and stuff like that. Yeah, because I didn't do the dishes the night before. We were so exhausted and it was a late evening, and we had to go to bed early because my daughter had early school. And kids, they need 12 hours rest. She needed a rest, so I had to read to her, put her to bed, and now I'm just finishing up here. And yeah, god damn, I hate doing the dishes sometimes. I feel like it's like the longest chore ever. It takes so much time. There's so many things to be put away. Maybe I should get rid of some stuff. I don't know if I over accumulate or if I have too many things, because it's like I have a small apartment, but god damn, I have so much things. But yeah, me babbling, but I'm just tidying up, and then I'm going to feed my sourdough starter because I've been forgetting that recently. I've actually been keeping it in the fridge, so I need to bake some bread. So I'm going to take it out and feed it, and hopefully I can get to bake some bread today. We'll see.